Apple just dropped the iPhone 16 lineup, and it's nothing short of epic. But to truly elevate your experience, you need the right accessories. Whether you're after top-tier protection, faster charging, or enhancing your iPhone's photography game, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're counting down the 10 must-have accessories for your iPhone 16 and 16 Pro that will not only protect your investment, but also supercharge your user experience. So, let's dive right in. Looking for the perfect blend of protection and style for your new iPhone 16? Let's talk about the ESR Case, a must-have accessory for your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. First off, it's ultra-thin and lightweight, keeping your phone's sleek design intact while still offering military-grade protection. With shock-absorbing air-guard corners and raised edges, this case is ready to defend your device from drops, bumps, and scratches. What really stands out is its stronger magnetic lock. A powerful ring of magnets provides 200G of holding force, making MagSafe charging faster and more secure than ever. Plus, precise speaker and port cutouts, along with easy-press buttons, ensure full functionality without any hassle. Made from a scratch-resistant clear polymer, it maintains the original beauty of your iPhone, giving it that barely there feel. If you're looking for top-tier protection without sacrificing style, the ESR Case is a no-brainer. When it comes to protecting your iPhone 16's stunning display, the Spigen tempered glass screen protector is a game-changer. Made from high alumina silicate tempered glass, this screen protector offers superior protection against daily drops and scratches, keeping your iPhone looking flawless. But protection doesn't mean sacrificing quality. Its high light transmittance ensures you experience the full clarity of the iPhone 16's high-resolution display without any dullness. Worried about touch sensitivity? Don't be. This screen protector is fast and highly responsive, giving you that smooth, zero-lag feel, just like the original iPhone screen. Plus, installation is a breeze thanks to the included Easy Fit Kit, so you can apply it perfectly without any hassle. Designed specifically for the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro, it fits seamlessly with Spigen cases, making it a perfect pairing for those who want style, functionality, and protection. Looking for the perfect audio companion for your iPhone 16? Meet the redesigned AirPods 4, offering exceptional comfort and performance for all-day use. With a refined shape, shorter stem, and easy quick-press controls, they're built for stability and ease of use. What sets these apart is the active noise cancellation, which blocks out distractions, while adaptive audio blends ANC with transparency mode, letting you interact with the world when you need to. Conversation awareness automatically lowers your music when you're speaking with someone nearby. The sound and call quality is next level, thanks to voice isolation, which keeps your voice crystal clear even in loud environments. And of course, the seamless Apple experience is here. Just say, "Hey Siri," pair with a tap, or share audio between two sets of AirPods effortlessly. If you're looking for a powerful yet comfortable listening experience, AirPods 4 should be at the top of your list. Need a power bank that's slim, powerful, and perfect for your iPhone 16? The Anker Mago power bank is here to deliver just that. It's one of the slimmest power banks available, making it incredibly easy to carry wherever you go. What makes it even better? It offers ultra-fast 15-watt wireless charging, QI2 certified, so your iPhone 16 stays charged up on the move. Plus, there's a 30-watt USB-C port for extra versatility. With a 10,000 mAh capacity, it's perfect for daily use and travel, ensuring you never run out of juice. The ergonomic design combines a sleek matte UV finish with a metal frame, giving it a premium feel. And thanks to aerogel thermal insulation, it stays cool to the touch, even during heavy use. If you're looking for power and portability in one sleek package, the Anker Mago Power Bank is the ultimate accessory for your iPhone 16. Want to take your content creation to the next level with your iPhone 16? The Pivo Pod Classic Influencer Edition is your new go-to accessory. Designed for influencers, dancers, and live streamers, this smartphone holder uses AI-powered 360-degree auto-tracking to turn your phone into a personal camera operator, following your every move. Whether you're shooting dance videos or live streaming fashion vlogs, the Pivo Pod adds dynamic movement, making your videos more engaging. With fun create modes, you can elevate your social content in seconds. And no more begging friends for help. Pivo's got you covered. Plus, it connects easily to your favorite apps like WhatsApp and Instagram Live, letting you move freely while staying in frame. Setup is a breeze. Just pair it with Bluetooth and attach your iPhone 16, and you're ready to start creating like a pro. If you're a mobile gamer looking to unlock the full potential of your iPhone 16, the GameSir X2's Bluetooth controller is a must-have accessory. This versatile controller offers universal compatibility, adapting to phones ranging from 110mm to 168mm, even with thin cases. One of the standout features is the GameSir app, which allows you to customize your controller profile for games that don't support controller input. You can adjust dead zones, remap buttons, and switch between analog or hair trigger modes, all to fit your gaming style. Plus, it supports game emulators like Delta, turning your phone into a retro gaming console. With Hall effect sensing sticks offering 360-degree pinpoint control and a 250 Hz polling rate, the X2's delivers both precision and durability for the competitive edge you need. Whether you're playing action-packed shooters or retro classics, this controller will elevate your mobile gaming experience. For lightning-fast charging on the go, the Basis 45-watt USB-C fast charger is a game-changer for your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. This little powerhouse is 54% smaller than the original 30-watt charger, making it incredibly portable, perfect for on-the-go charging. With its 45-watt output, it accelerates charging times for your new iPhone, so you're never waiting around. The advanced graphene cooling and scientific stacking design ensures superior heat management, keeping your device cooler and charging faster without overheating. Certified by TÜV Rheinland, this charger meets stringent quality and safety standards, protecting your device from overheating, overcharging, and short circuits. For reliable, worry-free charging that doesn't take up much space, the Basis charger is a top pick for anyone looking to keep their iPhone 16 powered up efficiently and safely. The new Apple Watch Series 10 is not just an accessory, it's a game-changer for your iPhone 16 experience. With its stunning display boasting up to 30% more screen area, this watch is not only stylish but incredibly functional. Its advanced health insights offer features like ECG monitoring, high heart rate notifications, and sleep apnea detection, keeping you in tune with your wellness. For fitness enthusiasts, it tracks every move with precision, supports aquatic adventures, and even includes 3 months of Apple Fitness Plus free. Stay connected with texts, calls, and music, all while benefiting from cutting-edge safety features like fall detection and crash detection. Plus, with its durable, carbon-neutral design, it's both eco-friendly and built to last. If you're looking for a must-have accessory for your iPhone 16, the Apple Watch Series 10 is it. Want to capture stunning shake-free footage with your iPhone 16? The DJI Osmo Mobile 6 Gimbal Stabilizer is the ultimate accessory for smooth, professional-looking footage. This powerful tool transforms your phone into a pro-grade camera, capturing silky smooth shots with its 3-axis stabilization. Whether you're chasing energetic kids or filming pets, ActiveTrack 5.0 ensures nothing escapes your lens. With the DJI Mimo app on your Apple Watch, control your gimbal remotely. Adjust angles, snap photos, or record videos right from your wrist. The OM6 is lightweight, foldable, and extendable, making it perfect for on-the-go creativity. Plus, its side wheel offers cinematic effects like dramatic zooms and focus control. Ideal for parents, it also has a kids mode for capturing those special moments with your little ones. Lightweight, stain-resistant, and ergonomic, the Osmo Mobile 6 is perfect for capturing those unforgettable moments with ease. Unlock a whole new world with the Apexel 3-in-1 phone microscope lens, the perfect accessory to complement your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro's upgraded camera system. Imagine transforming your smartphone into a high-definition microscope with up to 200x magnification. This lens features a slide rail for quick changes and built-in LED lights with 13 modes, including UV light, ensuring crystal-clear, vivid images every time. The CPL filter minimizes reflections and glare, perfect for exploring nature, examining jewelry, or scrutinizing banknotes. With its easy plug-and-play installation, no app needed, You're ready to dive into the micro world in seconds. Plus, its lightweight design and rechargeable battery offer up to 5.5 hours of continuous use, making it both portable and practical. Compatible with most smartphones, the Apexel microscope lens is a must-have for photography enthusiasts and curious minds alike. That wraps up our list of 10 must-have accessories for the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro. Which accessory are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching our video, like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.